you, Brent?
Good. So, Grant always tells us, and by the way, Grant is the guy who's helping us package all of this together. Always says to us, don't say, "Hi, my name is Brett StClair."
And my name is Michael. Hi.
Hi.
I forgot the hi.
Were we meant to do it or were we meant to not do it? I can't
No,
remember.
if we could not do it, because people should know who the fuck we are by now.
And if you don't,
So,
he's Mike, I'm Brett.
I was going to say, he's Brett.
And welcome to Think WTF.
Yes, lovely to have you to join us here. So we're making a few videos here. Now, just back to the point about Grant. He's the guy who's helping us put these together because we did a series at the beginning of last year. Digital transformation was incredibly successful. But the problem is we used Brett's wide-angle GoPro, which managed to fit the two of us just into the screen.
Much.
Yeah, and the quality wasn't great. So what we're busy working on is kind of a refocus. But let's get into the topic today. So Grant, thank you. And if you need help on this stuff,
Speak to Grant. Grant Olaf. He rocks. He's cool. Let us know some feedback as well. Because if he's not cool, please tell us sooner than later.
Absolutely. So what are we going to be talking about, Brett? Let's just get into it, and then we'll get into the proper details.
Let's talk about our what the fuck moment. We've had one, Mike.
Well, you know what we have, and it's quite funny because
it's awesome though.
It is.
It's frustrating. Frustrating.
You're frustrating me now because I'm trying to talk.
Sorry, go for it.
Because
it's very frustrating.
Fuck. But anyway, it's very frustrating. Yeah. Yes. We have a business called WTF, and it stands for not what you think it stands for. It's what's the future. And we've got this idea. It's called the WTF moment. And what does that stand for, Brett?
What the fuck do we do now moment.
Absolutely. And we all have this. And everything is fundamentally changed. And the old rule book has actually completely broken down. And we need a new rule book. And we're sitting between this old world and this new world. And the bridge is the WTF bridge. Oh, that's a new one.
I like it.
The WTF bridge. How do you get over this WTF bridge?
Love it.
What's the future?
So guys, we've had this moment. We've been building a lot of content. It's been really interesting. The podcasts have rocked, so thank you to everyone who has downloaded it. It has been a fabulous, we're kind of nearing 5,000 a month across all of them. Thank you. We're going to aim for 100,000 next year if we can make it happen. So please share. So we want to share with you what our journey is going to be from now all the way through to next year. It's not about digital transformation, guys.
No, I think we passed that vote.
What is it about then, Mike?
It's about trust. But let's talk about that in the next one.
Fantastic. Until then, guys, chat to you later.
Cheers.